Hello there. Hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Tuesday, January the 23rd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the 4-star Sudoku, and the 3 stars Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's today the news? Well, a lot of war news. Because the two wars, the war in Israel, 21 Israeli soldiers are killed. They want to bomb a building, but they're killed by their own bomb. But also there are more than 200 Palestinians killed today. And the other war, the Ukraine army has took down a airplane, and they fought. There are rockets in the airplane, but it seems the Russians told them there are 65 Ukraine prisoners in the airplane. Well, war news. Anyway, let me continue with the puzzles. This one, the 3 stars Sudoku, will be number 7853. 7853. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus in the addition, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars puzzle or 2 stars puzzle? We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can pick. How about the one in this row, the one in the last row, so the row between? No need to place left for the one should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 5. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number? Let me see. Which number can I pick? 9, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this column. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And then 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And look, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 in the in this row, so no 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 place left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright, and now 8, 4, 7. Okay, 7. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in this box. So the 7 in this big square Could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 in that column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then I need a 6 here. And we have a 3 here. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. We see a 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 in the second column, no 3 there, so the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 3. And now, how about, need a 5 here. 5 there, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Then we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and then 9. So we have a 2 in this third column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then. So what are these 3 missing numbers then in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 4, 7, 8. That means 1 digit left in this row for the number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. Alright, 6. We got you, the 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Alright. 7, 8, 4. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 now in this column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. With all those 7s, no. Need a 7 here. Okay, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. How about 2, 9, 4? Okay, 1 box left in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Okay, need an 8 there. And I need an 8 here. How about the 2 then? 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 2 here. Well, we need a 2. No. 4 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those two boxes in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes. Earlier with the 2, we have a 2 now in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, 2 and a 9. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. 1, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9, 1, 7, 9. And look, we have 1 in the third column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 9. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left here. Let me mark those. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row, so the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so the last column, only 2 places left for the 4, goes together with the 2 as a pair, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 now in the last row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then can I count the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. These are number 3, number 2. 1 box, 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing and 9 is missing. 8 or 9, 8 or 9. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. 4 and 8, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 missing numbers. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7. 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 8 in this row, the 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 13 minutes. All right. 2 stars. Wow. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than the 14 or 30 minutes. Should be a 0 stars. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.